Let's get it, get with it. It's Double RTV and we are back with another video.
Come on in, welcome you guys. This is our new apartment tour. So, as you guys can see from the title, yes, we do have a new apartment. We are living in
Atlanta,
Georgia. Okay, so you guys, as you guys can see, it is empty, so it is an empty apartment tour. So as you guys come on over here, we're gonna start from the outside and go to the inside. Alright. So, come on outside, top patio. We have what you call the woods. We got a river behind us, got our patio space. Sharing our patio with a big bug up there. Yeah, and this leads out to the front of our apartment. Yes, sir. So now, as you come in, lock the door, we have our huge living room. Put anything right here. Think about putting the TV right here, putting a big couch right here. You know what I'm saying? With recliner, because you know you gotta have basketball lights. Damn sure you gotta have football lights. So, as you see, this is our entrance. Now over here, we have our dining room. It's pretty big. Just for us two, it's huge. Got our lamp. Then the best thing about this, so when beach ball is cooking, come on over here. Babe, are you almost done yet? Babe, can you add a little salt free? Can it be a little bit salt free? You know I gotta watch, you gotta watch what we eat now, you know what I'm saying? We're making a big change in our life, so. Babe, you ain't added that. Oh yeah, okay. Anyway, guys, y'all get the memo. So, yeah, this apartment is 1,200 square feet with 2 bedrooms. It's very huge. So yeah, as you guys have seen our dining room and our living room.
And you guys, this is the best part. Like, I love this mirror. It's big, you know, and like he said, this is 1,200 feet, so it is very, very big. Like, we didn't think it was gonna be
like, as you
this
guys
big.
Can see, I'm pretty sure it's epic. Yeah,
right.
So.
And we put that light over there because there isn't any light in the living room, so we have to go get lamps and everything.
Yeah, it's very dim, as you guys can see from the trees. It gets no sun in here, so yeah. And then also, before we move on with the video, we have they alright ceilings. They pretty low, but it's cool. I mean, I ain't 6'10", so it is what it is.
Okay, you guys, as you guys can see, this is our little kitchen. We have stainless steel appliances. We have a dishwasher, of course, because who's gonna be washing dishes? Not me. And then we also have lots of storage space. So I really like this. It's a lot of place to put like dishes, cleaning supplies and everything. This right here, we honestly don't know what we're gonna put right there except for probably like a table or something. But this, y'all, I thought this was bigger than this. I guess we just gonna keep like our, you know, storage, broom, mop, you know, stuff like that. We're not gonna put no food or anything in there because we're not gonna be able to get it out. So we did put a few things in here, just a few. The only thing that we have, we do have to, we have not went grocery shopping yet, so that's what we are about to go do now and get everything situated and get everything, you know, in place. So this is our kitchen.
So you guys, this is our mini, well, this ain't a mini hallway. This is a long hallway. So this hallway leads to the guest bedroom and the master bedroom and the laundry room. So first, on you guys' right, we have our guest room. So it's pretty spacious a little bit. We got the nice ceiling fan. Of course, we still moving, so we got our stuff in here for now. This is gonna be our studio. So yeah, you guys will most definitely be seeing a lot of videos shot in this room. We have a nice little window. Also, I didn't know you can let up the windows, like back where I live, you let them ones up. Anyways, yeah, it has okay ceilings once again. It has a decent amount of closet space. Yep, as you guys can see, it goes both ways. Oh, there you go. So yeah, probably gonna end up having to put a lot of shoes up in here because I am gonna go crazy with my closet eventually. So yeah, this is the guest bedroom. Pretty nice. And then over here we have our guest bathroom with a mini hallway. So as you guys walk through here, we have a little bit of nothing right here. Then we have our mini entrance. Has the sink. They missing the sink. I don't know what happened, but they got a nice big mirror, nice lights, mirror over here also. Hold your towels. Nice little toilet. Then you have the shower over up in here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Especially for our first apartment, so can't be mad at this. Then we have our small door.
I really like the doors. Like, I really think they're, you know, modern.
Only thing that I just really kind of also don't like is that the bedrooms are right next to each other. I wish it could have been on the other side of the living room and dining room, but that's fine too though. I mean, like, who we really finna be having? Like, we gonna be having Friday night football. Wait, my fault. Sunday night football. And when the finals come, we might have a party here. Who knows? So yeah, that's the hallway, guest room, guest bathroom. Oh, and the washer and dryer. Honestly, y'all, I don't know which is which. I'm pretty sure this is
the washer.
This is the washer.
That's the dryer. We haven't had one of these stacked ones before, so yeah, it is new to us. Like you said, that's the dryer washer. It has a lot of space, but not enough space for all the clothes I have. And that was a big deal for our apartment. This was a deal breaker, honestly. If it didn't have a washer and dryer, we would have not been getting it. Yeah. So yeah. And then we have, you gotta scoot back. You gotta scoot. Stop. So we have a secret door right here. As you can see, you need a secret key. Can't tell you about that one though. So yeah, you guys, that's the guest bathroom and the guest room. So that's about it. Okay, you guys, as you guys can see, this is our bedroom. This is like huge. Go back so for the kid. Our bedroom is literally huge. Like, this is freaking huge. Like, it comes with 2 closets, but I'm sure and a bathroom. So as you come in, I really don't know how much the square footage is in here, but like I said, it's huge. It's not really empty because we do have air mattress that we slept on last night because we didn't move in yesterday. And this just has our TV on it, and over there is our routing and Wi-Fi stuff. So like I said, it's freaking huge. We are going to be getting a king bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser here. We're not sure if we're gonna put our TV on the wall yet, so we're still figuring that out. And then as you come this way, we both have our separate closets. Thank you, God. We both have separate closets. So this side is my closet. We haven't hung up anything or did anything yet. So yeah, this is my closet. It has a few things in there. And then this is his closet, which also has,
you know, I gotta come with the extra space.
Yeah. And then this side, you know, just has more hanging space. And then as you walk this way, this is the bathroom. It's just the same bathroom as that over there, but we just put, you know, stuff that we've used, stuff that we need in here really quickly. This is not going to stay up because I don't like it. We just got it because, of course, you have to take a shower and stuff. So, and I didn't even know it was going to be that tall. As you see, it's, you know, really short or whatever. And then we have a trash can that I have. And then we also have this toilet, what is this? Toilet paper holder that I had got as well. And then this is just little stuff, my stuff right here, over here. You know, all this stuff came from Walmart. Like I said, I'm not keeping it. So yeah, that's pretty much it in this bathroom. But yeah, y'all, we are so grateful and so humble about this apartment. This is our very first apartment together and our very first apartment period. So we do have a lot of learning to do. Like I said, we're not in a rush to get everything together, honestly, because I mean, we want to get the right things and make everything feel homier. As you guys can see, you probably do hear an echo because there's nothing in here. So we won't have probably nothing in the living room until probably a month or so, because we're not in a rush. Like, we're taking our time, getting everything together. So yeah, this is perfect, honestly, for our first apartment. It's in our price range and everything. So yeah. We are going to be having a lot more videos coming for you guys, since we do have our own space now. It was harder because we were living in 2 different houses. You know, we were living in 2 different houses, like I said. So it was very hard to do videos that we want to do more of. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our apartment tour. We will be doing some more videos very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share these videos, like our videos. Get this video to 50 likes and we will record our grocery haul. So we will be going to the grocery store and then doing a haul of what we got. So if you want to see that video, get this video to 50 likes and we'll be back with another video. Bye!
Lean with it.